shout out to all Hyundai for allowing me to review the 2020 Hyundai Palisade. Today we are viewing the all-new 2020 Hyundai Palisade. This particular model is wrapped in a lagoon silver. For the length, 196 inches, height 68 inches, you have a ground clearance of 7.9 inches with a wheelbase of 114 inches. Right here we are looking at a 3.8 liter V6 engine pushing out 291 for the torque, 262 at 5,000 RPM for the MPG highway, 24 city, 19. Here's the sound of it. Now we are making our way inside of the vehicle. We are greeted with black leather with some cool stitching detailing. Right here we are looking at a 7-inch colorful digital display and high resolution. On the left you had your gas gauge, on the right you had your engine temp. Now we're bringing it back to your standard steering wheel control. You have your Bluetooth and volume button alongside your cruise control setting with your plus and minus paddle shifters. The buttons right here have your blind spot detection, lane assist with traction control alongside your emergency parking brake with trunk release. On the door panel you have your memory seat settings. Looking down on the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control with mirror control. Right here, we're looking at a 10.25-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You also have an intercom where you can communicate to the passengers in the back seat. Now we're bringing it down to your radio shortcuts. Beneath the radio shortcuts, you have your dual climate control. Right here you have your electronic shift buttons. This particular model is an 8-speed automatic transmission. You have your drive mode, park assist, your auto start feature with your camera view. This particular model have heated and cooled seats with heated steering wheel. Watch as I demonstrate drive mode. It just turned red when we enter sport mode to give that sporty feel. Right here you have your USB with your wireless charging pad alongside your cup holder area. Now we're making our way to the center console. You have your USB with your 12-volt outlet. Wow, this is pretty roomy. We done made our way up to your matte light and moonroof control with your SOS Safety Connect compass alongside Blue Link. You have your glove box. Now we are making our way to the back of the vehicle. Back is very spacious. We are greeted with 2 captain chairs and the third row is a bench seat. You have your cup holder area. A little fun fact, there are 10 cup holders throughout the car. You have your climate control area with heated and cool seats, alongside your 12-volt outlet and 115-volt outlet. You have your USB outlet on the back of the driver and passenger chair. A little fun fact, there are 8 USB outlets throughout the whole car. We done made our way up to your interior lighting. In the third row, you have buttons that can control the seat with your USB outlet alongside your cup holder area. Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring at 18 cubic feet, with seat area measuring at 86.4 cubic feet. Wow, you could put an 80-inch TV in here. Once again, huge shout out to all Hyundai for allowing me to review the 2020 Hyundai Palisade. If you need any information about all Hyundai, I'll leave a link in the description below. Always good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.